Hello from Ocean Lakes Campground in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. In today's video, we're going to be walking through the Sandy Mart. Okay, we are almost there inside the store. Let's go take a look. Sorry about that, all my Second Amendment friends. Here we go. Ho, 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 ho. Wow. Let's go take... You okay? It's alright. Let's go take a look in here. See what they have got. Oh, that's cool. Coffee mugs.
Ooh, that's new. Ooh, and a little camper thing.
Yep, little camper things. Man, looks like they pretty much have any...
Yeah, we should get a kite here. It's a great day for kiting.
Oh, yeah. Oh, those are like... Oh, yeah, those are like wind socks, so those aren't kites. So all kinds of bric-a-brac. All kinds of bric-a-brac and souvenirs, keychains, magnets, mugs. Some beach photo. Sweaters, shirts in case you forgot anything or you just want some souvenirs. Nice and air conditioned in here. Wow, they've got everything in here. Good, how are you? Incense.
Ooh, look at this. Cool. They even do that on little jars.
Come back over this way, they've got hats. Some cover-ups. If you forgot your sandals, no problem. Alright, let's see what they got back here. Ooh, some biscuits. This is like a full grocery store. This is bigger than some grocery stores I've been in.
No, actually it isn't.
Energy drinks, soda, after soda, for soda. Let's look down these aisles real quick. They've got just aisles and aisles and aisles of stuff. A full aisle of chips. What's down this aisle? Beach toys in case you forgot anything. Swimming stuff. Swimming supplies.
And this is a bunch of cookies.
More snacks and water. Look at all this stuff they got. Frozen pizzas.
And ice cream.
Alright, Bryce's favorite here. Coolers of ice cream. And coolers.
And Arya's favorite. You should totally have a drumstick here. They're really good.
The drumsticks here are really good, says Arya.
They are. Because you have to eat it kind of quickly, otherwise the cone becomes mush.
Just aisles and aisles and aisles of stuff here in there. Bait, fishing, tackle, nets, knives. Look at all this. Just amazing how big it is. That's a walkthrough of the Sandy Mart and the laundromat here at Ocean Lakes Campground. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. And as fun as these are, they're not as fun as the arcade and the indoor pool. And you can check that out in this video right here.